10:30, yeah. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she mixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far the fans go. We just set it go, talking about the Lambos. I 56 a gram, 500 grams though. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the damn pole. Hit the strip club, we be letting fans go. Everybody hate her, we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never let go. And I get high with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby. Yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby. Yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby. Yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. Wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remix it for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bingo. We be counting up, watch how far the fans go. We just set it go, talking about your Lambos. 56 a gram, 500 grand though. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the gamble. Hit the strip club, we be letting fans go. Everybody hate her, we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never let go. I be smoking dope and you know backwards what I roll. When me boy fatty, shit up, that's for sure. I run in your house, then I fuck your hoe. For me boys is nothing, for me boys is nothing. And I get high with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby. Yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby. Yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby. Yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remix it for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far the fans go. We just set it go, talking about your Lambos. 6 a gram, 500 grams though. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the damn pole. Hit the strip club, we be letting fans go. Everybody hate her, we just call them fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never let go. I be smoking dope and you know backwards what I roll. When me boy fatty, this shit up, that's for sure. I run in your house, then I fuck your hoe. For me boys is nothing, for me boys is nothing. Yeah, baby. I want you to be mine again, baby. Ay, I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. Ay, I cannot see myself without you. We call the fans down, but you know we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of my way to see you. And I want you to be mine again, baby. Ay, I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. Ay, but I cannot see myself without you. We call the fans down, but you know we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of the way to see you. I ain't playing no games, baby. Can't waste time. I'm a young nigga lifter. Coming from the trap, all a nigga know is get it. I ain't chasing no pussy, girl. I'm talking about the digits. Big bang rolls in my pockets, all 50s. Took a little check, then I showed you I could triple it. Baby, it's Uber, I only want you. I don't give a fuck who get attached on my face. She don't give a fuck who still looking too good. Get you fucked on sight. I'm trying to finish this, who I started with. I'm trying to spend it all, who I got it with. Hey, she my track queen, let her hit the band though. Hey, we be counting up, watch how far the fans go. Hey, hop up my baby, she jump out the Lambo. Hey, run the bands up, smooth how the wind go. Hey, dipping wood, got soul out the window. Hey, married to the money, I ain't never let go.
Alright, that was that, and in the middle of the video I did start going for the most wanted packs, and that was only because the challenge booster packs were not going by fast enough with the money, and we'll be going through my characters to show y'all what I got. And that is it. And if you were wondering how did I have so much money when I was just starting out, I used an app called Lucky Patcher. And what it basically does, it takes off all the money, so all I have to do is click on that and then click on this, and it says your purchase was successfully, thank you, but I got it all for free. And now I could just keep going and keep going. Alright, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Doses.